I did not know how to shoot. I did not know how to edit. I did not know anything of this, right? And neither I had a team with me.
In this video, I am going to show you the exact steps that this guy, Priyaram, took to earn more than 2 crores in just 8 months with his YouTube following. But unlike what you think, he did not make this money from ads or brand deals or even sponsorships or affiliate marketing. In fact, Priyaram intentionally refused to monetize his channel.
I'm a strong believer of Lord Krishna. He says that, just do your work, don't worry about result. I strongly believe that even for date, right?
So today, I'm going to share with you the complete blueprint that Priyaram used to make money from his following without AdSense or brand deals or sponsorships, and how you can also do it to make a lot of money quickly from your existing YouTube following. Plus, when I searched deeper on how this blueprint works, I realized that a lot of the top earning YouTubers, social media influencers, coaches, and even experts are already using the same strategy to quickly start making money from their following. The best thing about this strategy is that you can also use it on your channel starting right now. So watch the video till the end, because I am also going to share access to a free masterclass which will show you step by step how you can do this yourself. So let's start.
So the whole purpose of me starting Srimanta was this, right? I had gone through a very difficult journey of learning this art. I got trained from one of the best traders in the world. I spent lakhs of rupees going to international locations to learn things.
He spent years learning how to make money from trading stocks. Eventually, he realized that he needed help, and so he looked at some of the best stock traders in the world and started learning from them. Slowly, he became so good that he started doing it on his own and made a lot of money. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Back in 2020, when the pandemic hit, Priyaram saw how people were struggling to make ends meet, and he wanted to help as many as possible. So that's when he decided to share his knowledge with others on how to profitably trade stocks. And he did what most people think of. He started creating YouTube videos. Since he's from Karnataka, he started doing YouTube videos in Kannada, where he would share his analysis of the stock market with his following.
The main thing was, the differentiator was the monopoly, right? I had a monopoly. I was not competing with anyone. So for me, I had a quality content to deliver, and I had a language which is completely monopolistic. There's no one, no person in Karnataka or Kannada who can giving this much of information what I was giving, the quality content what I was delivering.
Before I explain to you exactly what that strategy is, let me first talk about what most people think when they want to make money from YouTube videos. And this will give you some more context so you understand just how amazing this strategy is that Priyaram also used. So when most people think about making money on YouTube, they usually create hundreds of videos, upload them to the platform, and then hope those videos go viral to make some money from that ad revenue. Or you build a large following so that you get enough brand deals or sponsorships. So it's not a bad way to make some money, it's just not really sustainable. Plus, a lot of people are not even able to build a following big enough to monetize their channels in the first place. So here is what you should do instead, and that is to use that YouTube following and launch digital products that you can inspire your followers to buy from you. Based on your channel's niche, these digital products could be online courses, webinars, ebooks, and coaching programs. Because unlike selling physical goods, launching and selling digital products is one business where you can sell as many times as you like. Plus, you already know how to create content for them. And these courses, webinars, and ebooks are all forever products that you can sell automatically as many times as you like. And as you release your videos more and more and your following grows, these courses will keep bringing in money for years. And that's exactly what Priyaram did as well. After more than 90 videos, and 3 months later, he used to get about 20 views on his YouTube channel.
Absolutely. Initial 2 and 3 months, my subscriptions was not going beyond 100. my views were like, 15, 20, that was the, if that is the response what you get, you can imagine the motivation what I would get, right?
And so, by the time you're done 100, right? I mean, 3 months later, you've done 100 videos and you're getting 15 views. It's a huge jolt on your ego and your self-respect. So how did you cope with it? And what did you do at that point?
I'm a strong believer of Lord Krishna. He says that, just do your work, don't worry about result. I strongly believe that even for date, right? So that was the motivation. I just kept doing my work and magically, it grew, word of mouth, not even spent a single rupee on marketing, nothing. It magically grew. That's what consistency gives you.
Eventually, his videos started getting better views and people started asking for courses where they could learn in more depth. That's when Priyaram decided to launch his online courses with Nourish, where he launched his website and created 6 courses in the beginning on stock trading. The courses ranged from 1500 rupees to 10,000, depending on the stock trading journey his students were on. Someone who's just starting takes the 1500 rupee course, and those who are already trading and want to get advanced strategies pay for the higher courses. So how did he earn 2 crores in 200 days without running Facebook ads and just from organic YouTube videos? As a stock trading expert, Priyaram released videos daily where he would share his strategies and analysis of the stock markets that day. That was the real game changer for him.
What happens as the connection between these videos and your website on shrimantha.in? How do people go from watching your videos to your website? How do you drive traffic?
It's simple, right? I mean, imagine this, my course as a college, right? You go to a college and learn something. And now my YouTube channel is a tuition. Evenings you come and get the tuition from a master, right? So whatever theoretical things I teach in my course, the same exact thing I use in practicals. How does that theory knowledge what you use in the course, how is it applicable here? How can that be used? Is what my YouTube videos, daily YouTube videos gives. Basically, they get this hand holding on a daily basis. I have a course and I have hand holding on a daily basis. It's a mentorship throughout.
So that's super brilliant, and I think that's another great point that goes in your favor. My question specifically here is about call to actions. When somebody builds this audience on YouTube, how do they make sure that they drive that audience onto a website? Do you say that at the end of every video that you guys could go to shrimantha.in and buy a course? Are there links? How do you drive traffic there?
So we definitely have links. Okay, we definitely have links. Every if I may open this one.
Yeah, let's do that. So this is your video from 9 hours ago.
Yeah, today.
Okay.
It was a pre-market analysis which I did, which was up to the mark. Let me brag on that. My analysis was up to the mark, and this is what we do. We have given them the course link. We have given them what are the course details. We have uploaded some videos for course details in YouTube, right? So there are like how to purchase course also is also mentioned in these places.
So as his channel grew and got more followers every time a person watched his video, they got to learn from him for free. But if they want to learn more in depth, they click on the links and visit his website to buy the course from him. This was the start of his success in selling his online courses. Now, why does this strategy work? Once the videos start ranking and get a lot of views, they continue to bring in more views for years. And as more people watch the videos, they click on the links and keep buying from him. It's a continuous cycle. More views equals more followers and more sales. With just this simple method, no ads, no monetization, and no brand deals, Priyaram sold courses worth 2 crores in just 200 days. And you know what? This is one strategy that most top YouTubers across the world use to grow beyond their channel. Because you can't just rely on AdSense or brand deals anymore. If you want to earn big from YouTube, you need to look at how you can create other offerings. And launching your own digital products like online courses, webinars, and ebooks are one of the best ways to monetize your following outside of YouTube. The faster you do this, faster you can make money on your own. If you want to learn more about how this is done, there is a free masterclass that my team did recently. I have shared the link in the description for the free masterclass. Make sure to watch it where we explain step by step how you can do this for your channel. Plus, if you know someone who needs this video, do share it with them. I will see you in my next video.